How to show Spotify on lock screen on Android. This tutorial shows you how to display music controls and album art from Spotify on your lock screen. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Lock Screen to access lock screen settings. Following that, look for Widgets or lock screen widgets. Now, make sure Music Controls or Media Controls is enabled. Moving forward, go back to the main settings and tap on Apps. Afterwards, scroll through the app list and tap on Spotify. In addition to that, tap on Notifications to manage Spotify notification settings. Once there, make sure notifications are turned on for Spotify. Subsequently, scroll down and enable Show on Lock Screen or Allow on Lock Screen. Moreover, make sure Media Style Notifications is also enabled if available. Afterwards, open the Spotify app and start playing any song or playlist. Then, lock your screen to see the Spotify controls appear. Within the lock screen, you'll see album art, song title, artist name, and playback controls. Alternatively, you can play, pause, skip, or rewind tracks directly from the lock screen without unlocking. Once configured, Spotify will always appear on your lock screen whenever music is playing. And that's it! If this Spotify lock screen guide helped you control your music easily, drop a like, subscribe for more music and Android customization tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.